I'm back again, not sure what happened there. I was just saying about the bodywork. So somebody has patched up in the past. It doesn't look like it's been done particularly professionally. It's not structurally bad, it's just not pretty to look at, so I may see if there's a repair panel available to do a proper job of that rather than doubting the quality of it, just actually do it properly. I know from the parts list that the car came with, it was 3 boxes full of history with the car, so you can trace it all the way back to when it was new. All the original bill of sales and everything comes with the car. It's an amazing pile of history, which is brilliant. So I know that I know what work it's had done all the way through its life. I know that as part of the restoration in the early 2000s, the sills were replaced and some patching up at the rear has been done as well. Again, it's not particularly brilliant. You can tell that there's filler in different places. Boots generally fine, all known problems in there. So generally, yep, looking forward to this one as well. The MG still. I'm waiting for parts for the lower section of the wing on the MG, so that's looking sorry for itself for the time being, but I'll continue with that when the parts arrive. I'm going to leave the Mark II for the time being. I just wanted to catalogue the parts that I have really, so I know how big a task I have on for sourcing items and generally what I need to do. So yeah, unfortunately I was hoping that the bodywork wouldn't need to be stripped all the way back and repainted, but on closer inspection it definitely does to make a proper job of this car. It seems like it deserves it with the provenance and the history of the car. It seems like it's deserving of taking back, and also kind of for the, you know, strangely feel a bit sorry for the guy that had put all this effort and work into it and never got a chance to see it, unfortunately. It's so as a bit of a testament to him, it'd be good to bring it back to the standard that it should be. So you'll probably see regular videos on this. Fingers crossed it all turns out as I hope. Bye bye.